Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh and today I am going to give you or show you a demo of the short notes you should make. So first I'll show you some notes that those I told you, those formulas you had to write. The first type of notes for which were applied to maths and physics, you write the formulas and then you add it according to it and then you write them again. So like these are my notes for coordinate geometry. These are my notes for coordinate geometry. I have written all the formulas here in two halves and then I've highlighted the important ones. These formulas are the important formulas which will only which the only stuff I'll require to study for straight lines. Now you can do it in the back. I have all the interior bisector and all that. Here is my stuff for circles. Then circles continue till here. In one page I have made this. In one page I have made a parabola is also two-page long since it was a very like big kind of chapter. It had lots of type of questions. Here are some of those important new type of questions. You see co-normal points. This was a type of question that came, so I wrote it. This was another type of question, so I wrote it again. Now this is for hyperbola, one page, and then the last page goes to ellipse. So like these are how you can make this kind of notes. You just saw a demo. Wrote all the important formulas only. I did not write anything else. Now I will show you the notes for organic, the chemistry, the kind I said you have to make in NCRT itself. So this you can see I marked this important points and this was pure learn. There was no need to write it here. Just write it here for for typhoid fever is effective for chloramphenicol or iodine by thyroxine and all that stuff. Now these things, after you do enough question, you'll remember the basic namings. But if there was some big name like same tribromobenzene, I marked it. These were the basics name. You have to learn them. So if you learn them, you will learn them after enough questions. You won't require to mark them or anything. Now from here it starts nature of CX bond. This also will be learned after you do enough reactions and their mechanism. Now starts the theory part. The theory part, you mark thionyl chloride pepper because it produces gasettes. This pure alkyl halides. This everything here is connected to each other. I've even marked important lines. All these reactions you have to learn, and this is some kind of extra information which is not given in the reaction. This big para only this much is important, and you can write the entire this Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov in very short. I have written. So like only very important parts you have to mark, not everything. Like see here in the entire thing only 1 2 3 4 lines are important. Here nothing is important except these two reactions and this line, the line marked with black. Here colorless when pure, since there was no use of writing it again, I just marked it. Here you mark the important points which are too big to write and then you make a small flowchart for the entire thing here. Same goes here, boiling points, then it is written here decrease marked in branching. So like that you can make it. Like that these continue. This mark the important points. Then I start writing. So now comes the place where a lot of thing is there. Now this entire huge para I've just fitted it here. Fit the entire huge para in small words here. This is one line in this much big area. You can see how less is actually required. Now see, instead of this entire huge thing, I just highlighted some important points and then wrote the entire thing here. This huge thing fits here, and just a few highlighted points. This much huge thing, only this few highlighted points are required. You can see this huge thing, this much is enough. And with these highlighted stuff, write the entire thing of the para here itself, the entire para thing here itself, and this is highlighted. Only this much is required. So like that I have created this entire NCRT book itself. You can even see in carboxylic or here So like that, I've created this entire NCRT into kind of short notes that I can revise. So this is how you have to make short notes. Short, easy to learn, and when you look at them, they're automatically highlighted, so you can easily read them and you don't have to find for them. This will it will make your revision a lot very fast. And if you are doing two huge question solving, you have made two in your time total two question solving sessions, you can easily revise one chapter in between, and then you can jump into the question solving, and you take a formula break, as you call it. So this is all I need to show you for today, and stay tuned and bye bye.